Under the rules, you have 1 day.
No, don't give me that
Don't finish it then, pare. Pag lugar mo, ilang beses ka nakiusap sa akin eh. Huwag mo ako sigawan. Ilang beses ka rin nakiusap pa. Hanggang doon na. Nag-abroad ka ba eh? Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? O, putangin na, gusto mo. O. Putangin na, sindak ka na sindak dito eh. Bakit? Sisigawan mo ako ng pakialam mo. Wala akong pakialam sa puputo dun eh.
Sinabi mo yun.
Interest mo lang iniisip ko eh.
Gusto mo ipapa-50 ano mo kami?
Sabi ko sa'yo? Sabi ko, pare, baka pwede makiusap. This is too important.
For these 10 Embu barangays, I asked her, she also doesn't know what's going on. Due courtesy lang ba? Sort of some respect and due courtesy. Yun lang akin, Mr. President. I have, again, you know, if I raised my voice, it's because, you know, it didn't have to go that way, and I apologize if I raised my voice. Okay? Ang akin dyan, if it will help you, maybe we can pass this, we can take it up tomorrow. Ang akin lang naman dyan is nabigla ako, dahil nasa taas nga ako, at biglang may concurrent resolution about these barangays. Wala naman sa agenda today, Mr. President. So, my appeal to the good gentleman is give us time to at least explain to us what it is all about. We have no caucus. We've never had a caucus since I asked for one in the beginning of the incumbency of the good Senate President.
And yung dalawa kong kapatid, madali ding uminit ulo. And then uminit ulo ko ngayon. So I apologize to everyone, including Senate President Zubiri. Technically, may excuse ako kasi I'm on steroids dahil hinihika ako ngayon. But it's still no excuse. So pasensya na kayo.
Me also, I apologize for my behavior, Mr. President. I mean, we've known each other since 1998.
We have
together
known
with
each
the
other
good Senate
since
President.
1998.
Yeah, so...
And while we're in the spirit of asking for apologies, Chair would also like to apologize for the lateness of the hour.
Yeah.